Click on the link below to get price. The Black Baumen's 5.5mm 14k white gold flat Figaro chain necklace is an exquisite piece that combines elegance with a bold statement. Upon unboxing, the first thing that strikes you is the undeniable quality of the craftsmanship. The chain is made from genuine 14k white gold, which not only gives it a luxurious sheen but also ensures durability and a long-lasting finish. Measuring 5.5mm in width, the flat Figaro design is striking yet versatile enough for both casual and formal occasions. The alternating pattern of linked oval and shorter rounds adds a unique flair that catches the eye without being overly flashy. This chain is perfect for layering with other necklaces or wearing alone for a more minimalist look. One of the standout features of this necklace is its weight. At 18 inches, it feels substantial but not overly heavy, providing the perfect balance for everyday wear. The lobster claw clasp is sturdy and secure, ensuring peace of mind that it won't easily come undone during wear. The chain moves comfortably against the skin, and I've experienced no irritation, which can sometimes be a concern with gold jewelry. In terms of style, the versatility of this necklace cannot be overstated. Whether dressing up for a night out or adding a touch of elegance to a casual outfit, it complements a variety of looks. I've received numerous compliments while wearing it, which speaks to its eye-catching design. However, it is important to consider the care needed for 14k white gold, as it can be prone to scratches and may require occasional polishing to maintain its luster. Overall, the Black Baumen's 5.5mm 14k white gold flat Figaro chain necklace is a remarkable investment for anyone seeking a stylish yet durable accessory. Its combination of quality, design, and versatility makes it a must-have addition to any jewelry collection, ideal for gifting or personal indulgence.